Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your data safety before you change any storage plan. Make a local backup on your computer or external drive now. Check your current Icloud plan and monthly price so you know expected savings. Confirm how much storage you use and whether that fits under the 5 GB free allowance. Sign in to the same Apple ID on every device where you use Icloud. Keep a note of important files and photos you may need to download. On iPhone, open Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen. Then tap Icloud and choose Manage Storage to view your plan details. Tap Change Storage Plan and then select Downgrade options at the bottom of the list. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when prompted. Choose the 5 GB free plan and then confirm the downgrade to stop paid billing. Finally, double-check that your current usage will be within the 5 GB limit. On Mac, open System Settings and click your Apple ID, then choose iCloud and Manage. Click Change Storage Plan and select Downgrade options to pick the 5 GB free plan. Confirm using your Mac password or Touch ID when requested to finalize the downgrade. The plan change takes effect at the next billing cycle and stops future charges immediately. After downgrading, download or move files and photos above 5 GB to local storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.